Creating an image with a mid-journey concept is a great way to convey a message about progress or growth. The idea behind this type of image is to capture an individual or object in motion, either literally or figuratively, and portray the sense of movement through visual cues such as blurs, lines, or arrows. Here are some steps to consider when making an image with mid-journey. Determine the message you want to convey. Before you begin creating your image, it's important to have a clear idea of the message you want to convey. Mid-journey images can be used to represent progress, change, or growth, but the specific meaning will depend on the context of your project. Choose your subject. Next, choose a subject that will be the focus of your image. This could be a person, an object, or a group of people. The subject should be in motion, whether that's walking, running, or flying, to create the sense of journey. Consider the setting. The setting of your image will also play a crucial role in conveying your message. Consider whether your subject is traveling through a physical space, such as a landscape or cityscape, or through a metaphorical space, such as a period of time or personal growth. Use visual cues. To create the sense of motion and journey, use visual cues such as blurs, lines, or arrows. Blurs can be created by using a slow shutter speed or by applying motion blur in post-processing. Lines can be used to guide the viewer's eye along the path of the journey, while arrows can emphasize the direction of movement. Experiment with composition. Finally, experiment with the composition of your image to create a sense of balance and movement. Consider the rule of thirds to position your subject, and use leading lines to draw the viewer's eye towards the subject. Also, try experimenting with different angles and perspectives to create a dynamic image that captures the sense of journey. In summary, creating an image with mid-journey requires careful consideration of the message you want to convey, the subject, the setting, visual cues, and composition. By using these elements effectively, you can create an image that tells a story and captures the sense of progress or growth.